put your fist in my throttle body. Damn, that shit is huge. What is good, everybody? It's your boy Christian. I got an exciting one for you guys today. I was sitting here editing a video when I heard a knock on my door. I waited a while for this. Took longer than expected. Took about 3 weeks. But intake manifold and throttle body is in for the 5.3 liter vortex. So we're gonna go ahead and, as usual, open it up, see what we got, and I'm just going to give you guys my first reaction and thoughts. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead and give it a like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Let me know if you have any questions, and without any further ado, let's get into it. Where did I put the knife? Dude, you lose a knife. Oh. Okay. First thing we see is a couple boxes, so we'll just kind of put them across here. That's good, because I was worried about it getting scratched. Probably auto fuel rails if I had to take a guess. I mean, she looks good so far. Let's turn her around. Take her out. Set this guy back up over somewhere. Hopefully that's good. So, this is the base of it. I thought it was gonna be shiny. Picture showed it shiny, but it's got this like flat, nice. It's just like a flat black. A little bit disappointed, if I'm going to be honest. I'll put a picture in it somewhere, I guess over here. You can see it has a shine to it. Maybe the pictures are illuminating, because that still does kind of do it. But it looked like it was almost like a polished black. But regardless, looks or whatever, we're focused on performance. It's got, I'm not an LS guy, so I'm not quite sure. But I want to say that these 4 fittings are probably for nitrous. I'll fact check that somewhere before I put this up. It's a fucking big boy right there. And there's one of those 4 ports that I was telling you guys about. Oh, looks like we actually. Yeah. I'm not familiar at all with these engines. It's 5.3s, I'm just learning all about it as I go. So second box. Like I said, I'm thinking this is probably screw rails. Okay, so it's a bunch of bags. I'm hesitant to open it up. Looks like we got some hoses. Probably some vacuum lines. Brackets, hardware, more hardware. I'm not opening any of this yet. Fittings, more fittings, lots of fittings. Steady, a nice hand. And I'll open up one of these because it's probably very much the same and I don't want to risk anything. Now, then we got one more box, one last box, which is going to be the 102 millimeter throttle body. Okay, last one. Oh, jeez, beautiful. Look at the size. Jesus. Fucking huge. Look at the size of that. You can put your fist twist in my throttle body. That's 102 millimeter. Damn, that shit is huge. Oh my god. Wow. Alrighty guys, well that is the intake manifold out of the box. That's everything that came in it. First reactions, I'm excited. Yeah, I just want to put it on, see how it runs. But for sure guys, if you guys like this video, like I said at the beginning, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It helps the channel out, and I will see you guys in the next one, and everyone, take it easy. Have a good one.